Do you find yourself wondering why credit matters? Are you looking to understand the true value and power of a good credit score? Welcome to this video, where we explore the world of credit and consider its profound impact on your financial journey. Would you believe it if we told you that a simple 3-digit number had the ability to drastically transform your financial future? It might sound like a small detail, but this number is your golden ticket to financial freedom and stability. Welcome to a world where numbers aren't just digits. They're actually keys to doors you haven't yet opened. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of your financial life as we explore the monumental impact of credit on your financial journey. What is credit? Credit can be defined as the ability to borrow money or access goods or services with the understanding that you'll pay later. It's fundamentally based on trust between the lender and the borrower, that the borrower will repay the borrowed amount, usually with interest, at a future date. Credit is a critical component of the financial system, enabling individuals and businesses to invest in opportunities, cover unexpected expenses, or manage cash flow by providing temporary financial resources. In broader terms, credit also refers to an individual's or entity's creditworthiness or credit history, represented by a credit score. This score is a numerical expression based on an analysis of one's credit files, reflecting their credit risk. But it's more than just a score, it's a reflection of your financial identity. But what does that really mean for you? Credit, therefore, not only facilitates transactions and economic growth but also influences financial opportunities and conditions for borrowers. Let's proceed to unravel the intricacies of credit and discover the profound impact it has on your life. The foundation of financial trust. Credit is the foundation of financial trust between you and lenders. It's what convinces institutions to say, "Yes, we trust you with our money." It quantifies your financial reliability in a way that lenders and other institutions can easily understand and trust. This trust, built over time, is crucial for accessing financial opportunities and navigating the financial landscape effectively. The gateway to financial opportunities. Good credit can open up financial avenues and benefits. It acts as a key that unlocks various financial opportunities, from better borrowing terms to wider access to financial products and services. Think, a mortgage for your dream home. Or a loan for that car you've been eyeing. Or a student loan for the education you aspire to obtain. It's a critical tool for maximizing your financial potential and enhancing your overall financial well-being. The influencer in your interest rates. Your credit health directly influences the interest rates you get. Better credit means you're likely to secure loans at lower interest rates. This means paying less over time for the same loan, thus saving you money on interest payments while at the same time enhancing your borrowing power. Lower interest rates mean you can afford a more substantial loan without significantly increasing your monthly payments. The empowerment in your hands. Understanding and managing your credit empowers you. It's about taking control and making informed financial decisions. This empowerment manifests in several ways. Knowing and understanding your credit score and what affects it allows you to plan major financial moves at times when your credit health is at its best. It also helps you understand the terms and conditions of various credit products available to you, and choose the ones that are most favorable to you. Knowledge of credit management boosts your confidence in dealing with financial institutions. You become more adept at negotiating loan terms, understanding interest rates, and choosing products that align with your financial goals. This confidence can lead to more favorable financial outcomes and less stress about financial decisions. Understanding credit helps you avoid costly actions like missing payments, maxing out credit cards, or applying for too much credit at once. In the long run, such actions can negatively impact your credit score, making future borrowing more expensive or difficult. With a good grasp of credit management, you can proactively work on improving or maintaining a strong credit score. This includes regularly monitoring your credit report for errors, understanding how different financial actions affect your credit, and taking steps to rectify any issues early on. In times of financial difficulty, a good credit score can be a lifeline, providing access to emergency funds through lines of credit or loans, potentially on more favorable terms due to your good credit history. Good credit management is not just about immediate benefits. In the long term, good credit contributes to overall financial stability and growth, enabling you to take on reasonable and beneficial debt, which can be instrumental in building wealth and financial security. The financial safety net. Good credit can provide much-needed support, creating a buffer against life's uncertainties. It offers flexibility and options that can be crucial during challenging financial times, acting as a protective barrier and providing peace of mind. Immediate access to funds can be essential in emergencies like medical expenses, urgent home repairs, or sudden unemployment. You may even be able to refinance existing debts to lower interest rates, which can be a lifeline if your financial situation changes suddenly. Good credit may give you leverage to negotiate payment deferrals, lower interest rates, or adjusted repayment plans to ease financial burdens. A good credit history means you're building a strong financial foundation. The path to financial freedom. Credit isn't just about the now. It paves the way for your financial future. It can be the difference between you just getting by and truly thriving. We cannot overemphasize this truth. Your credit score is more than a number. It's a key to unlocking the financial possibilities that shape your life. Understand it, nurture it, and watch as doors open on your journey to financial freedom. Subscribe, share your comments and questions, and stay tuned for more insights that will transform your financial journey. In our next video on decoding credit scores, we will talk about credit scores, what affects them, and how to improve them for a brighter financial future. This has been Wealth Wiz Academy, your companion in your quest for financial freedom.